is Amarachi at Tama. And what you see here today is an exhibition of chant poetry, which is a very important intangible cultural heritage of my people, the Igbo people of southeastern part of Nigeria. We are people who transferred history and culture from generation to generation orally, pre-colonial time. So this art is an art that carries a lot of our history and ways of life. We have different types of chants. We have the birth chant, which is usually presented when a child is born, as well as funeral chant, which is presented for therapy. So when someone dies, you see a voice begin to chant so that people would cry very well, because we believe that when you pour it out, you feel better. So we use chanting for therapy. We have the historization using chant, where we use chant to tell you the stories of your grandparents and parents and great-grandparents and your community and where you come from. So as a child growing up, such art and renditions help the child to understand where they come from. We have chant that is presented by the masquerade in Bemumo, where the masquerades, you know, a lot of our masquerade in museums, masquerade use chant to tell people things and also to a kind of institute social justice and advocate for different topics in the communities. So we have satirical chants where they use chant to talk to the leaders and speak about the ills in society. So in our communities, because of the communal way we live, there is nothing that goes unnoticed. So you might be doing things, something that people are not seeing it, or you might be going to see a girl or a guy somewhere thinking they're not seeing it, they see all of that. And when it's that time of celebration, festival celebrations, you see either the masquerade or people using chants to tell you everything you did all through the year. So being a performer and an advocate of the intangible cultural heritage, both my language and the art, this course became the perfect opportunity to just showcase this art that is very important to me. So what you see here are snapshots of me in my different performances which I've done across Nigeria, Ghana, South Africa, UK, and of course in many places in the United States. I've done more than 500 performances trying to curate this art. And you see what I have here is a costume I use in the British Royal National Theatre in the UK, performing on that stage for like 5 months. So the bead you see and some of it on my waist were given to me by my grandmother. When she gave me that bead, I actually didn't understand why she was giving me old Asian beads, but today I use it. And then we have the horse-tail, which is a symbol of authority. Whenever someone holds these, people listen to them. And then you have some of the instruments we use. So the chant can stand on its own, just orally. It can also be accompanied by some local sound. Today, we even perform on piano sound and guitar sound and violin sound and all of it. So I'm going to give you a little presentation. And if you come here, throughout the time of this exhibition, there will be a video that will explain a little bit of what I've said and also chant in the video.